still want to try to make sure that when I sit through here, right? Even as before this leg even touches, look. That's the best way to explain it. It's not separate. Putting my head on this side of his body is not last. It's part of the final step over. Okay, so instead of going 1, 2, 3, yeah, when I break it down, I want to show the different positioning. That's why I got to make sure my elbow's not here. My elbow's through here like this. Now when I'm square up, see my hips are open. When I close my hip, it comes here. But what I like to see you be able to do, put your head where it needs to be before this foot even touches, look. Then you know you're right on point with your head. Your head should hit this side. And I see some of you guys getting your head up like here. Your head should be by the pin. That way my weight drops down on my arm. This is just a lever, right? Extra pressure on the lever is this. But this is the choke right here. This guillotine device. So I drop all my weight on my arm. That way I'm not muscling the choke. I'm just dropping my weight, settling my weight. For a last little torque, you can shrug your shoulders, right? Depending on the slack on the collar. Let's go, everybody, 5 times. Just do the sit through without bringing your head to the side of the mat first, right? My head should hit before my foot hits.